Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Roadrunner email account. Roadrunner email is a sub account offered by TW Corporation. In 2012, the Roadrunner brand was named and retired and replaced with the Time Warner cable brand name. Charter Communication acquired TWC in 2016 and the service is now known as Spectrum Internet. So don't get confused with Roadrunner and Spectrum. Now, if you're new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and hit notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's move on and open up any web browser on your PC. Now type in webmail.spectrum.net and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will head it to its login page. Now type in your email address and your email password. If you want your email address to be remembered by your device and in your next visit your email address to be automatically typed in, then tick remember email address. If in case you can't remember your email address, then you can recover your email address by tapping on forget email address link. But in case you can't remember your email password, you can reset your email password by tapping on forget email password link. Next, you need to tick I am not a robot button. Now after entering all the details, tap on sign in button to get logged in to your account. I hope this video helped you to get logged into your account. If it did, then don't forget to hit thumbs up button and subscribe our channel. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.